Fixing a sideways or upside down photo in WhatsApp on your laptop or desktop computer takes just a few quick clicks once you know where the built-in editor is located. This method works identically whether you are using a Windows PC or a Mac computer. First, open up your WhatsApp desktop application or log into WhatsApp Web on your browser. Scroll through your chat list on the left side of the screen and click on the specific conversation that contains the sideways picture you want to fix. Now click directly on the image inside the chat window so it opens up in full view. Next, move your mouse cursor over the picture, perform a right-click on the image, and select the option that says Copy Image. Once you have copied it to your clipboard, close the preview screen or simply click outside of it to go back to the main chat screen. Move your cursor down to the bottom of the screen where it says Type a Message. Right-click inside that blank message box and click on Paste. When you paste the image into the message box, WhatsApp will automatically pop open a full-screen media editor window before anything gets sent. Up near the top center of this preview screen, you will notice a row of editing tools including crop, stickers, and text. The important thing is to locate the small rotate icon, which looks like a rounded arrow. Click on that rotate button as many times as needed. Each single click will turn your picture 90 degrees, allowing you to cycle through orientations until the image is perfectly upright. In my case, I usually need to click it twice to fix photos taken upside down on phones. Here is the trade-off to keep in mind with this setting. WhatsApp does not allow you to edit or rotate photos that are already saved inside your existing message history. By pasting the image back into the text box, you are preparing to send a brand new version of that photo. If you decide to hit the green send button, the other person in the chat will receive a second copy of the image. That goes both ways, meaning if they sent you a crooked photo and you rotate it this way, sending it back means you are sharing a duplicate right back to them. If you only want to fix the orientation for your own personal files without sending a message, simply click the Done option in the top right-hand corner or click the Download button directly from the editor preview. Choose your target folder, such as your desktop or Downloads folder, give the file a clear name, and click Save to keep the properly rotated picture on your computer. Once your download finishes, you can safely clear the message box without sending anything. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.